So this is how my front end looks right now, and it's gonna look different now that I got the Q50 bumper for the G37 and the new headlights that I RGB'd. Alright, so to remove the front end, I already gone ahead and took these clips out, but there's clips throughout these little holes in the front. You just pop those out, kind of like this. So there's these, and then you also have to remove this plastic cover here, which is just a couple of 10 mils around it. So I'm gonna take this plastic piece off first. Bottom bolts from the bumper. There's usually 3 down here, so there will be one right at the edge, and then one here, and then one here. So I'm missing 2 10 mils. I got one, and it's the same thing on the other side. If you have the splash guard, I'm not sure if you're supposed to remove all the ones from the lip, but yeah, so it's, for now it's just these 3 and then 3 on the other side. That's pretty much it. So for the last 2 bolts, if you pull this plastic back, you'll see one 10 mil right here, and all you gotta do is remove this one. It's the same thing on the other side, and with that the bumper should pull off. So I'm gonna remove those 2 right now. Okay, so now that it's off, all I gotta do is pull softly, and this part comes off. So you do the same thing to the other side, and after that your bumper is free to come off. So I got everything loosened up and it's ready to pull off, so I'm gonna set the camera down so you guys can see. So that's the front end. The toe hook kind of got in the way. Should have took that off, but whatever, came off. I'm also going to be removing the headlights because I got new headlights, so I'll show you guys how to do that right now. To remove the headlights, it's 4 bolts. I don't know if you can see, but one in here, one right here, this one down here, and one on the side. Pretty easy. So I'm gonna take that off. I took off 3 of them. We just need 1 more. Do the same thing to the other side. Alright, so pretty much I pulled off 4 10 mils. Now it's time to remove the harness, which is just right here. You can pinch this little piece and pull, or you can use the flathead to push it in and pull, and it should come right off after that. So the headlights are off, and this is how it looks so far. So now time to put in new headlights and new bumper. So this is the Q50 bumper for the G37. It looks really aggressive in my opinion. And this is the OEM bumper, side by side. I do have to mount it on right now, so that's what I need to do. Then I'm gonna send it off to paint. And these are the old headlights, and these are the new ones. I did do an RGB setup on them, so I'll post the clip right now. You guys seen there in that clip, they look amazing. I did get brighter bulbs because some people say that the output on these are not as great as OEM, so maybe that would help. If you guys are interested in any of these parts, I do sell them on an IG page. I will post a link in the description, and I would really appreciate if you guys hit the subscribe button for more content, because I do have a lot planned for this car and my G35 over there. So yeah, going to get started on mounting the new parts now. Right here I have the passenger side headlight, and all you really gotta do is just swap over the ballast, which is 3 little screws, and then after that disconnect the igniter, which is just 1 screw. And the headlights that I got already come with igniters, so I'm just gonna use those, so I don't have to pull these off. They do come with fog light bulbs, so you don't need to pull the OEM fog light bulbs from your original headlights. They do not come with HID bulbs, so that's the only thing you'll need is the HID bulb, which is located here. What you gotta do is push these 2 pins together and pull up, and then the bulb comes right out. And just put the new bulb from this headlight to this headlight, and the ballast from your original headlight to the new headlight. After that, you're pretty much good to go on the headlight, and put it back on how you took it off. So do this to both headlights and you should be good. The bumper is finally on, and it looks really nice. It fit perfect like OEM, and the headlights are now on. See the fog lights go in there, but I haven't mounted them because I'm gonna get it painted anyway, so I'm gonna have to take them off. So pretty much it's ready for paint now, but it looks good.